With me, everybody, is I'm making this homemade blueberry barbecue sauce for my daughter. She is a renal patient. These are all the ingredients that I used. I used a couple cups of raw brown sugar along with raw cane sugar. A lot with her diet has changed. We don't use the normal things anymore. Everything is either organic or raw or natural flavors. So this is me just putting the ingredients together. I got my little measuring cup. I'm only using about 2 cups. I use alkaline water because of my daughter. She drinks alkaline water. I'm not using room temperature or anything like that. So I'm making homemade syrup too. That's on the next video, so stay tuned for that one. So I have my blueberries, and I had extra blueberries for this grocery run, so that's why I decided I needed more barbecue sauce. So now I'm just putting in a small pot. I boiled about a cup of water, maybe half a cup of water. Poured those about a cup of blueberries in there, sprinkled that cane sugar on there, and also maybe a tablespoon of brown sugar, and just gave it a good stir. From there, you just want it to simmer. My temperature right now is probably on medium high. Drizzle a little bit of honey in there. I also use a little bit of vanilla extract. It's not seen in this video, but I use a dash of vanilla extract. From there is organic Dijon mustard, organic no sugar ketchup, and also organic, maybe a swig of no sugar, low sugar barbecue sauce that we get from Fresh Market. So I just give it a good stir and I let it boil. Outside of the boiling, I add just a small teaspoon of plant butter, and I let it sit for and let it cook and do its thing for about 30-45 minutes until it starts changing form. I tasted a little bit just to see if it's to my tasting. I ate a little snack earlier, so let me just drizzle a little bit on it just to see how it tastes. And it tastes good. It's flavorful. This is my second time making this sauce for my daughter, and I'm liking it every time. So this is me just draining out the berries. The berries I don't need. I need the sauce. So just any type of spoon, anything that has holes in it that will catch the berries in it, but I can still drain it. I'm gonna do that. So from there, I'm just gonna remove all the berries, smush down as much of the blueberries as I can, and now it comes just like this, a very dark, rich, like a cranberry-ish, dark, flavored looking sauce color, which I like. So this is my little jar that I use for the previous, so I'm just gonna replenish it. Don't judge my kitchen, y'all. I'm redoing it. I've said that in many videos. Me and my husband are redoing our kitchen, so we're working on it. So this is my little jar, and I just created my little label just to be fancy. Why not? And this is what it looks like. My little organic blueberry barbecue sauce. She loves it. I like it too. Keep following all my work, everything that I'm creating for my daughter for her new diet, as she is now a renal patient. Keep following me. Peace.